In the bustling business hubs of Tavistock, Plymouth, Okehampton, and across the southwest, businesses are discovering a lifeline for their IT needs. Meet our team of seasoned IT experts, here to assist you with a myriad of tasks. From troubleshooting and repairing hardware and software issues to installing and configuring software and applications, our professionals are dedicated to keeping your IT systems running smoothly. And now, we know you're eager to dive into the details. We charge per device instead of per user, and to find out the latest pricing, please visit our website. With this, you gain access to our comprehensive remote support services. But it's not just about the cost, it's about the value we bring to your business. One of the key advantages of our business remote support service is our ability to swiftly and efficiently resolve issues without the need for on-site visits. This not only saves your business time and money but also minimizes disruptions to your day-to-day operations. Choose us, and let our cutting-edge technology and best practices become your IT lifeline. Because in the fast-paced world of business, we're not just a support service, we're your IT support team.